This is a 1969 BMW R60 US frame with a 1957 Volkswagen motor in it. This was originally a 36 horsepower motor in the Volkswagen. The power output is probably somewhere double that by now. BMW clutch, transmission, and final drive, that's all standard. The frame has been stretched about 4 inches in order to accommodate the longer motor. And gas tank is a Karl Heinrich, which is a period gas tank, 9.5 gallons. And the saddlebags are Enduro brand that were also from that period. They were made in the 1960s by a guy out in New York. And the luggage rack is a period luggage rack that was in BMW's accessory catalog in that era. So it has the extra wide dual seat, which was a BMW accessory at that time. And what else?
Wolfsburg.
Oh, we got Wolfsburg edition. That was the only one they ever made that was a Wolfsburg edition. The one and only, right here. And as far as the cockpit goes, it's half airplane and half motorcycle. We have this is a Rauch headlight shell, which was a German accessory at that period that has the dual provision for dual instruments, tachometer and the speedometer. On the left is the cylinder head tip gauge. That's by Westtac. They're dual gauge for front and rear cylinders on both sides. And on the right is a combination oil pressure, oil temperature gauge. On the left here is a programmer for the electronic control unit for the fuel injection and ignition. Fast idle lever here. This is a mixture control. Fuel pressure indicator for the fuel injection pressure, and you can see that runs at about 28 psi. To the right of that's a PLX wideband O2 sensor, and that's about the instrumentation on it.